Hey guys, let's see how to read or convert an input stream into a string in Java using scanner from JDK. Alright, here I have an Android Studio project. You can use whatever IDE that support Java. For that, I'm going to go ahead and create a function. Then you can reuse that to convert input streams into string. I can say public string. That means we are going to return a string when user or the developer execute this function. Now the name for this function, let's say convert is to string. Inside parentheses we have to get some parameters when user call into this function. Parameter type, firstly we need input stream. The object is input stream. Let's import this. When you press alt and enter on your Windows keyboard, and if you use in Mac you can press option and enter, then you can import this class. You can see this is the class that we have imported, java.io.inputStream. Here I can add braces. Now we need to put a variable name for this object. Will be let's say InputStream. Okay, now we should return something to fix this. I'm going to go ahead and create a string, and let's say it will be result. I can assign a empty string like this. Using double quotations we can input empty string. Here we can go ahead and say return result. Okay, firstly we have to say scanner. Then you might want to import that. You can press enter, it will automatically import this class. You can see java.util.scanner has been imported to our class. Here I will say this as s, or for better use you can say scanner is equals to new scanner. Now for this parentheses we have to pass a argument which will be this input stream that we received when we call into this function. You can say input stream here, and next we have to put use delimiter, this one. Inside this we have to say double quotations, and you know this backslash, right? Then a, two backslashes and a, and then we can end up with this semicolon. Here in the next line I can say this result is equals to this scanner dot has next. Then we have to put this, then s dot next, and then parentheses. This question mark should be added. This scanner should be This should be scanner, because scanner.hasNext, then question mark, then scanner.next, should be next, and then parentheses, then colon, finally double quotations, and then we can end up with the semicolon. Okay, that's it. And you can call to this function when you need it. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.